What's up, legends? Back with another video. So I'm opening some packs because the game I was getting some more games so I could open packs for longer. So I'll do it right now. So let's see which one. And I'm gonna be doing this one. Got it? Browns. Okay. So I'm getting. So it's that much. So how much can I get? What's the maximum? Okay, so I can get 3 packs. I need 6,000. Whatever, I'll do this. Okay, so I got 3 packs. Okay, and then I'm gonna go to my card collection. Got it? Let's see where I can get. Open one. Come on, Allen. I want Allen Iverson. Football. Ooh, Isaiah Thomas, that's pretty good. Okay, and then I got Kevin Johnson. That's really, really good. Oh yeah, look at this. Isaiah Thomas. Okay, the second one, number 2 now. Number 2. Come on, we need to get this one good. Let me do one at a time. First one, X. What did we get? Kelly. Oh, that's pretty decent. Harrison Barnes. Come on, we need a legend. Come on, Michael Williams. Come on, we need a legend. Dang it. I want AI. Okay, the last one. Okay, ready? One card. Dang it. I'm gonna open this one now. Now the middle. Now flip. Let's go, Trae Young. Let's go. That's way. Marcus Smart too. Pretty decent. I'll play with him now. So we got some pretty good players. I'll be using them in the next video. See ya.